Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. If you like trail running like I do, you have to check out these running shoes from Saucony. These are the Cohesion running shoe. So if you run on trails, run on uneven terrain, there's always that fear you're going to roll an ankle or hurt your knees. So these running shoes are designed specifically for trail running because the sole is very thick. And as you can see at the bottom, the treads are quite thick as well. So they'll definitely help absorb that impact if you're running over small rocks, small pebbles like I do when I go for runs. I love the fact that I can feel my foot being cushioned in the shoe, but it's so lightweight for having such a thick sole, so it doesn't feel heavy at all. My feet feel great, even for long distance running. I've run up to 15 kilometers in them and my feet feel great. The mesh at the front I think is a really nice feature because it does allow a lot of airflow, allows your feet to breathe so that it doesn't trap in any sweat. I just feel like they're such comfortable shoes, and when I'm running I don't have that fear like I'm going to twist or roll an ankle. My knees feel great. So if you're running anywhere other than the road, you definitely need to check out these running shoes. I know you'll love them as much as I do, but that's just my point of view.